So hope you are doing good. So stay safe and stay at home. Today I am going to show you two legal movie and TV show streaming apps, and it's from America. These apps are currently only available in America and other countries, so it's not available in India. So we need to use VPN services or VPN applications to run this application in our TVs or in our mobiles. So first, I'm going to show you how to install a VPN in your mobile phone. So I'm using this VPN hub application in my phone to stream other uh, countries movies and applications. So you need to install these applications and need to open it. So just click continue button to set up this application. Once it's completed, just open the app. Once the app setup is completed, you will see the screen like this. So its default server location is Dallas, US, and some kind of other US countries, states, and you need to click the lock button to connect to the American server. Please keep in mind that this is completely legal and there is no risk in using these streaming apps. So it's not like Top TV or Audio TV that's available in India and some other countries. So I'm connected to the US server. So I'm going to install the Pluto TV first. To install the Pluto TV, you need to search Pluto TV app in Chrome browser. So it's that we cannot install the application directly from cannot install this application directly from the Play Store. So you need to search the application in Chrome browser and you need to click on. So it's already installed in mobile, so it will automatically load. Just install this application and open it to automatically play the movies if you are connected to the VPN server. So
The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup.
you can watch complete James movies in these applications. So and there are lots of movies available in these applications, so you can stream TV shows, movies, live TVs from America and all over the world. So this is a great app. Just try in your mobile and your TV. So just connect to the VPN server, any VPN application, and connect to the American VPN server and use the application. The next application that I'm going to show you is Zumo app. So Zumo APK. So you need to install it from. It's not available in India because it's a US app. So it's not. We cannot install it from uh, the Indian Play Store. So you need to install it from APK Pure. You can download it directly from the APK Pure app. So it's available to download from APK Pure. So download it and install it and just open the app. It will work like Pluto TV. So it's already installed in mobile. I'll show you how to open Sumo TV. Yes, it's exactly like Pluto TV. It has lots of channels and TV shows, movies, on demand shows. There's lots of categories like sports, kids, family, comedy, entertainment, lifestyle, lots of TV channels, movies. You can see that. Please try these applications in your mobile or Fire TV stick or Android phone, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment on my videos. So I think this is very helpful for you, so because you guys are staying at home and this will be helpful for you. So please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys for watching this.